Hello students, today I will start color in monsoon. At first we will color sky blue in all over the sky portion and we will apply that color very lightly. Upper part of the sky will be darker and lower part of the sky will be lighter. After sky blue, you will use cerulean blue on the upper part of the sky. And then you will use Prussian blue. And we will apply all this color very lightly. Now I will show you the clouds. To do the clouds, at first you will apply grey color on the sky and you will apply that color in a circular way. We will move the color in a circular way. In this way, we will make the clouds on the sky with grey color. I am not showing in all over the sky, but you will do the same thing in all this portion. After grey color, then with dark violet, you will give some dark shades in the lower part of the clouds. And this color also we will apply in a circular way. It will give you a cloudy effect. And then Prussian blue. And after Prussian blue, black, and you will use that color very lightly. And all this color you will use in the lower part of the cloud. First grey, then violet, then Prussian blue, and at last black. And then you can use grey color again on it to smudge all this color. In this way, you will make the clouds in all over the sky portion. After that tree, you know the color of the tree, so I will not show you in all the trees. First lemon yellow, then light green, then deep green, and after deep green, Prussian blue. I will not show in this tree because you know that color, previously I have shown you. And then you can use brown color on it. The trunk of the tree, you will use deep brown, and then on one side you will use black. Now in this building, first use yellow ochre on one side of the roof, and other side you will use orange color. Then with brown color you will do the lines of this tile. And with deep orange or vermilion you will give shade on one side of the tiles. I'm not showing in all the tiles. Now this wall, first you will apply lemon yellow very lightly. Same thing we will do here also, and this portion also. Then with yellow ochre you will give shade on one side. Same thing we will do here, and in this portion, lower part, we will use that color. Now with deep brown, we will do these lines, and we will do the window frame also with that color, with deep brown. And inside the window, don't do any color, only you can give some light blue shade and leave the other part white. Now with black color, on one side of the window frame, we'll give some strokes of black color in this portion also. Same thing we will do here also. Upper part, this portion upper part, yellow ochre. Here also one side you will use yellow ochre. Then brown in the lower part. Same thing we will do here, brown on one side, and the lamp post also you will use brown color, deep brown color. Don't do any color in the lamp, leave it white. Only you can give some yellowish shade inside the lamp. Now with black color, give some shade on one side, and the wires also with black color. In this portion land, you know that first lemon yellow, then light green, then deep green, you can give some effect of grass on it, and then at last Prussian blue. In the bush, first you will use ultramarine blue on the upper part of the bush, then sap green very lightly on it, and then Prussian blue in the lower part. After that you can use black color very lightly in the lower part of the bush. Leave it that you can do that fence with brown color, and then black shade on one side, and this gap you will do the color of the bush. Now this portion, the road is water merged, so at first I'll start coloring from the lower part of the road, and you will apply sky blue first, and lower part will be darker and upper part will be lighter, and you will leave the upper part white. After that cerulean blue, same color you will use for the which color you have used in the sky, almost same color you will use. Then you will use yellow ochre very lightly on it, and then Prussian blue. And you will give some effect of wave on it also, and then at last deep violet. And with Prussian blue, wave of this portion also will, and then with blue color, ultramarine blue or light Prussian blue you can use lightly, will give some reflection of the trees and the bush on the water, but you will use that color very lightly. At first ultramarine, then Prussian blue. Human figure you can do any color. I am doing yellow color here. Then I am giving orange shadow on one side. You can do any other color also. In the trouser I am doing cerulean blue and then Prussian blue shade. The girl's dress, pink here, violet shade, and there yellow, deep yellow and orange shade, and in the hand and in the legs of the girl you will use yellow ochre, then brown shade on one side, and you will do the reflection of the human figure. Blue here, very lightly we will use that color, and yellow here, now in umbrella upper part you will leave white, we will use ultramarine blue in the lower part, then Prussian blue, and then black. And in the hair also, first you will apply, I told you before, don't use direct black color. First you will apply Prussian blue and then black. Now all the colors are completed, only I will show you raindrops. For that you will use first white color in all over this drawing. The raindrop should be small, not very big, and in all over this drawing you will use white color first and then you will use Prussian blue dots. And when it will complete, it will look like this. Practice this drawing. Thank you.